Today I'm proud to have the opportunity to speak with Shadman Mahmoud Wayet, also known as Uyghur Man. Recently his videos have been censored on social media. Thank you for joining us today, Shadman. Could you tell us a
Thank you.
little bit about yourself?
Thank you, Mr. Jack. Thanks for your time and giving me this opportunity. My name is Sharman Mahmoud Wait. I'm a Uyghur from East Turkestan, born and raised in a city called Karamay, which is the biggest city produce petroleum in China. My father was a chairman of one of the local university. My mother was a librarian. The city I born was like a Chinese and Uyghur population is 50-50. So that time we do have a Uyghur school for the kids, but my parents unwillingly sent me to the Chinese school that time, which that time only like a 5 to 10% Uyghurs choose to do that. What they believe is I'm gonna have a fair future, better future if I go to Chinese school. But I was never happy about it. But eventually I did good. I become a young pioneer. And then in the middle school, I become a league member of the party because of I'm a good student. I have good score. I played basketball for the school for a couple of years. I played taekwondo for the city, for my club. All I want to say here is I'm just grew up as a very confident, active guy, good score. I know there's something wrong because of the name of the our land called Xinjiang, because that means like a new territory or colony. But those questions I never got able to get the answer why it called like that. Or there's a lot of other topic too, like the religion. I'm never allowed to ask any question about those. Since I was a kid, I don't focus too much about those things. I'm always just to be what they want and how to be successful on my school, on my child life there. Until my university time, I go to mainland China for I finished the 2 different university in mainland China. After that, my life totally changed. I started to think a lot. After I graduate from the mainland China, I got a lot of like unfair those racism problem. Every time I go to the mainland, it's very hard for us to get hotel. Every semester when I go there, I have to go call the local police first, even though I'm like a good student. I'm fluent with Chinese, but it's still because of my ID. I never get able to open the hotel if I have to stay in mainland city one night or stuff like that. Then I start questioning myself, why this happened? I studied in Chinese school, even I don't like, just for get a better future and a fair life, just like them, but I still not able to get those. So I start thinking, is that what I exactly want? During this school time, I also did a lot of business. I learned Chinese society, what exactly is. Actually, if I just don't think those forbidden topic, I can have a good life there. All I have to do is just forget about who I am. I forget about my religion, forget about like our history. I just obey the Chinese communism. I can be the party member. I can move up a very good life, I believe. But after graduate, like I said, it's very important time period for me because I was feeling like I am in the fork road, and that's the only chance if I want to left from the country. Because after I got a stable job, it's gonna be so hard, almost impossible for me to get the passport and have any reason to leave from China. So my parents always wanted me staying East Turkestan in Karamay with them and get a job like what they do. But I don't want to get no answer from those questions, like who we are, why we not allowed to talk religion, why my land called the Xinjiang, like colony, why we can't we have to keep calling that way. Those questions is like I always want to get answer, and those kind of racism also getting harder and harder. Even hard for us to breast at the time 2015, 2014. Those security check everywhere just because of our appearance and our ID shows we are Uyghurs. We just facing those unusual body check, security check. It's never like I thought or my parents thought like if I have a good Chinese or if I'm learn Chinese good skill, then I can be a fair future like Chinese people. But I didn't get it. So I told my parents I will study, I will get better education so I can have a fair future like we imagine. Then they not fully supported me. They said they kind of stay silent. So I spent 2 years to prove myself to the Chinese communists. I'm a good guy. I'm not religious. I'm trying to show them I'm not typical Uyghurs like you guys don't like. I'm just your best product. I'm almost assimilated like you guys. Then they gave me my passport, miraculously that time, should say. Then I came to United States 2015, and I graduated at 2017. At the December of 2017, then I didn't go back. In US now, and I got my family here. I'm living in the United States with my wife and with my daughter, 1-year-old daughter. I hope that's clear enough.
Yes, absolutely.